Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, so we are going to start our new phonograms, new teaching class, and we are going to start our class with the prayer. Let's join our hands and close our eyes. O Almighty and eternal God, Creator of all, I adore you and I love you. You are the truth and the origin of all knowledge. Bless my studies, enlighten my mind, strengthen my memories, and direct my wills towards what is right. Grant me to speak the truth always and make me truly wise. Amen. Open your eyes. Okay. Hi students. So we are going to learn new phonograms, letter I to P. Letter I to P. These are the phonograms. So I am going to teach you how to read and write the phonograms. Okay. So I am going to write capital I and small I. So just look here on the board and how I am writing, you just copy down. Okay. Pay attention here. So, from this first red line to this second blue line, I am going to draw here standing line and then slipping line, then again slipping. Okay. So, this is capital I. What is this? Capital I. And how to write small I? So, while writing letters, while writing phonograms, you have to keep one finger gap in between two letters. Okay. So, keep here one finger gap, and on this blue line, in between of these two blue line, you have to write small letters. So, just look here. From this first blue line to second blue line, draw a standing line and small curve, and on the top of that put here dot. So this is I. Okay, this is I. Then I capital, I small. I capital, I small. Again we are going to write what comes after I. What comes after I? I, J. Okay. So I am going to write J letter, capital J. So keep here again one finger gap, and from this first red line to second blue line, we are going to write standing line and small curve. And on the top of this, right here, draw here small slipping line. This is J, capital J. Understood? And now I am going to write small letter J. So how you have to write? You have to write, you have to start from this first blue line till second red line. So keep here again one finger gap and write here. So small slanting line and then again standing line, come down and small curve, and on the top of this dot. So this is small j, capital J, small j, capital J, small j. And what comes after j? I, J, K. So I am going to write K letter. Okay, K capital. Again keep here one finger gap from this first red line to second blue line, standing line, and from this first red line to first blue line, let small slanting line, again then down slanting line. Okay. So this is K, capital K. Understood? Now I am going to write small k. Again keep here one finger gap from this first red line to second blue line, standing line, and in between of this blue line, you have to make a small curve like this, like a circle, and then come down and like this. Okay, this is K. From this first red line to second blue line, standing line, and then K. This is K. K. What comes after K? I, J, K, L. Okay. So I am going to keep here one finger gap. So I am going to write K, K after L. So from this, keep here one finger gap from this first red line to second blue line, standing line, and then down, sleeping line. This is L, capital L, L, and then small l. How to write small l? Again keep here one finger gap, small l. See, like this, from first red line to second blue line. Okay, then what comes after L? I, J, K, L, M. What? M. So I am going to write M letter. So you have to copy these letters next page. Okay, first on this first page, on your book's first page, you have to write these 4 letters, and then next page you have to write other letters. So this is your next page. Okay, it's in your next page. So I am going to write on next page. What comes after L? M letter. So this is your margin line. See here, this is your margin line. So out of margin line you should not write. Okay, left side. So from right side you have to start. So L after what comes? After L, what comes after L? M. So from this first red line to second blue line, standing line, then again slanting line, go up with the slanting line, then standing line, come down. Okay, this is M letter. And how to write M small? So keep here one finger gap. In between of this 2 blue line, you have to write M small. Okay, so like this. Zigzag. Okay, like a zigzag. See how I wrote here, like this, like a zigzag line. Okay, so this is M. Now what comes after N? N letter. Okay, N. So again keep here one finger gap. From this first red line to second blue line, standing line, then slanting line, then go up with the standing line. This is N. N capital. And how to write N small? Okay. Keep here one finger gap, then standing line, and then half, like a curve. Okay, small curve. So what comes after N? M, N, O. M, N, O. So I am going to write here capital O. So keep here one finger gap. From this first red line to second blue line, you have to make a circle, like an oval shape. This is O. Okay, this is O. And small o, how to write? I'll show you. So keep here again one finger gap, and in between 2 blue lines, write here O, like an oval shape, and make like this curve, small curve. Okay, after O, what comes after O? P. N, N, O, P. Okay, so I'm going to keep here one finger gap, and from this first red line to second blue line, standing line, and here half circle. See. Okay. This is capital P, standing line, and this is half circle. This is called P capital. And small p, how to write? So we'll keep here one finger gap. From this first red line to second red line, we have to write standing line, then go up and small curve like this. This is P, small p. So come here. So from this I to phonogram P, from this I, letter I to letter P, we have learned how to write the letters. But you have to write these letters, these phonograms with the with saying. Okay, say and write. You must say the letters and you must write it. So read it with me. I capital, I small. Come on, say I capital, I small. J capital, J small. K capital, K small. L capital, L small, M capital, M small, N capital, N small, O capital, O small, P capital, P small. Okay, so these letters you have to copy down on your book. This is your first page and this is your second page. Okay, so on this first page you have to write these 4 letters and the next page you have to write these 4 letters. Understood? So this is your today's word. So you must say these letters, you must say these phonograms and repeat it. You must say and write, say and write, say and write. Whenever you want to write, you must say. Okay? Then you will able to learn these letters. So learn to read and write properly. So this is your letters and I have taught you how to write. So you have to copy down here. Okay? Again I will show you how to write. Okay? Just look here. See here. Standing line, slipping line, slipping line. I capital and keep here 1 finger gap. I small. Okay? Now keep here 1 finger gap. I capital, I small. Again 1 finger gap. J capital and J small. So keep here 1 finger gap, small slanting line, come down and curve. On the top of this dot, J small, J capital, J small. And again keep here 1 finger gap, standing line from first red line to second blue line, standing line, see, and then slanting line, K, K capital, K small. How to write K small? Again keep 1 finger gap, standing line, and in between of this blue line, small K, like this. Understood? Okay. Then L. After K, what comes after K? L. So again keep here 1 finger gap, standing line, slipping line, standing line, slipping line. Sorry, standing line, slipping line. Okay, standing line and slipping line. And then small L. Keep here 1 finger gap, go up and like this. Okay, this is L. Now next page we are going to write N capital. So standing line next to the margin line. Next to the margin line, standing line, then slanting line, go up with the slanting line, come down with the standing line, N. And then keep your 1 finger gap and small m will write. Okay, so like this you have to write M, N capital, N small, and then keep your 1 finger gap, then write here capital N, standing line, slanting line, go up with the standing line, and then we are going to write small n, keep here 1 finger gap, then standing line and small curve like this. Okay, so this is N, this is small n. Understood? Now we are going to write O letter. What comes after N? What comes after N? N after O. So sorry, keep here 1 finger gap. We are going to write O letter. So like a oval shape will write. Okay, this is O, this is O. Then small o we are going to write. Keep here 1 finger gap, in between blue line you have to write O letter. Understood? Now what comes after O? P letter. What comes after O? P letter. Again keep here 1 finger gap, standing line, then half circle P. Understood? Half circle P. And small p, how to write? In between of this blue line we are going to write. Keep here 1 finger gap, then from this first red line come down with the standing line, go up and small curve. This is P letter. Understood? This is P letter. So look at my mouth, how I am going to read. See, I capital, I small. J capital, J small. K capital, K small. L capital, L small. M capital, M small. N capital, N small. O capital, O small. P capital, P small. Okay? Is this nice? Did you enjoy while writing? Okay? Okay, students. So we are going to read and write. Learn to read and write. Learn these letters and practice it on your notebook. So when you will come back, I will check your books. Okay? So this much is over. This much is enough for you. So today's class is over. Now you must practice. The homework for you for today. This is, you have to write on one page, full page, I to J, N letter, and next page N to P letter. Okay? So for today, bye.